Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove Google Drive from Slack in 2025. Many users want to disconnect Google Drive for security or cleanup reasons, and the process is simple if you follow the right steps. First, understand who can remove the integration. Workspace owners or admins can remove Google Drive for the entire workspace. Individual users can disconnect their own Google account. Step 1, open your Slack workspace. Click on Apps in the sidebar and find Google Drive. Open the App Details page. Step 2, disconnect your Google account. Go to Settings or Manage, then select Disconnect Google Account. This removes access for your account only. Step 3, remove the app from the workspace. If you are an admin, click Remove App or Uninstall. This disables Google Drive for everyone in the workspace. Step 4, confirm the action. Slack will ask for confirmation before removing the integration. Once confirmed, file previews and Drive features will stop working. Step 5, check Google account permissions. Open your Google account security settings and review connected apps. Remove Slack if it still appears there. Finally, refresh Slack. Restarting Slack ensures the integration is fully removed. This avoids leftover sync issues. So yeah, removing Google Drive from Slack is easy when you have the right permissions. Follow these steps to fully disconnect the integration. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.